Hello and welcome back or welcome. I'm Uri and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how I made this beautiful box for my friend.
Uri Designs, unique expressions.
Very easy to do. The first thing I did was to paint this box. I painted it in pink. I used Waverly chalk paint. The name of the paint is Ballet Slipper. I used these cute transfers. I don't remember exactly where I got these transfers from, but you can get transfer at any local store that sells craft supplies. You can even get them at the Dollar Tree or any dollar store nearby. Transfers are very easy to use. All you need to do is to firmly rub the transfer against your surface like this. I'm using a wood stick in this case.
The inspiration came from this message that I receive every month from the Ridiculous Hour Foundation. This message is about more about the glory of God. There is always more with God. And this is how you say more in sign language. Let me explain. Let's get going.
These messages that I receive each month come in a mission pack, and it's all about a positive and encouraging message that challenge the recipients to grow in practical responsiveness to the prompts of God. What that means is that the message brings a way for us to, in practical ways, to be more alert and be more responsive of what God tells us to do. And in this particular month of December, the big message was about the word more. More of God in our lives, to realize where God showed in our lives more. And the challenge was for us Now I'm going to add the word more on both sides of the box, and I created this in my Cricut machine. I'm just using the reverse vinyl transfer method, which means that I am using the transfer tape and then I'm getting rid of all the negative space. I am just going to add, like I said, more on both sides of the box. And I wanted also to add some of the transfers inside the box to make it extra special. And this transfer says love all around the flower. Something very important is to seal the box. And I am going to be using this polyacrylic by Minwax in clear so I can protect the box inside and out. And I'm using the clear satin finish. And look at this. Here it is, the final result. And this is so cute. As you can see, this baby girl is making the motions in sign language, saying more. There is always more with God. Thank you for watching. Until next time. Goodbye.